Sounds and Silences is so proud to announce that Sharon Meeks, a local pianist, will be sharing her talents with us on Friday, December 13th at noon. All the music you hear on this video is performed by Sharon Meeks. As you listen, you'll understand why we're so excited that she's one of our performers at Sounds and Silences this year. Sharon and all her family have given a lot back to the community of Bartow. We look forward to having her share her talent with us at Sounds and Silences. We hope you'll join us. Romans 12:6 says God has given each person gifts to use for His glory. If you know Sharon Meeks, then you know that she has used her gift for His glory. Sharon Meeks has played for churches most of her life. She played for many years at the First Baptist Church in Bartow, and she currently plays for Green Pond Baptist Church. Sounds and Silences is held at the First United Methodist Church in Bartow at 310 South Broadway Avenue, just south of downtown. We look forward to seeing you there and celebrating as a community.